Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to get back your Gmail password in case you don't have the recovery email and recovery phones. Yes, and this idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device and due to losing of his special device. Now he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone so that he can easily reset his password. So don't skip ahead. Every step is important and what's the best option to rescue of it we will see live. See guys, in a conditions, someone who has hijacked hacked your email password, also you can apply a similar strategy. So just we'll go for try another way and see here. It's asking last password. We'll go try another way. Fine. Now we don't have a special phone number, so just we will click on a don't have phone. Now it is essential that you do not provide enough information for the Google to be the show that this account is really ours. Yes, this is asking why it's also because if you would like to especially secure your accounts, then you will have to answer these questions wrong. Second is that if account is managed with the family links, then we have the send emails to your parents to change your password. We don't have. We create both options and we will go with the alternative. Sure. Let's see. First and foremost, we will have to become a Play Store, guys. In a Play Store, we will have to write here VIA browser. Yes, we will go for here VIA. And of course, we will tap on it. Fast and light browser. So it's classically it's 2 MB. Just it has been already installed here. See here guys, it has been already installed. If we go for here now, we can see. Now here we will tap here. Let's see. Write Google and of course we will go and sign in. So when we sign in, then of course we will have to tap here. That we'll go for next. Let's see what's going to happen here. Now just we will click on a forgot password, and when we tap on here, now see this device especially is locked with this Gmail particular maybe especially. Now we will go with the try another way because we don't have a specialized password. Now this number is registered, so of course we can surely say that it is a verified ID, guys. So if you don't have a number, then don't click on a text or call. Just we'll go for try another way. Yes, we will try to generate more and more options. So here is especially now 3-4 option more has been given by Google. That one is answer as many questions as you can. Second is that use a device where you have signed in before. And third is that if your account is managed with alternative email, then we can send emails to the parents to change your password. We create all options from here. Can I have the more options to address co-facts? Yes, this can be possible. More tips to address in this your accounts. Don't click on it again. Don't click on here try again because Google will track easily that ensures I'm trying to address particular Gmail accounts by a different browser. So just we will cut it from here, guys. Then what can I do? So first and foremost, we will come in Google to hold a Z browser, guys. Of course, we will have to tap on app info, and here notification we will have to make it block. So let's see, tap on it. Then we'll back on it here, guys. We'll come to permission, tap on it, and we will come in especially locations. Navigate the locations to customize the precise location, guys. Yeah. Tap here, don't allow anyway, so no longer the function is intended of this hands. Just will back, and one more time they will have to back. Yes, now here we can see defaults by open by defaults here. Just will go in here and check it out that it should be a disabled files. We'll back and check it out that the free of this fish is spontaneously. Of course, remove permission. that should be a disable, and then we will get it from here. Check it out the how many browser you are using, especially in your particular device. Take any smartphone to apply a similar strategy. Either it is an old one, a smartphone, or new one. That doesn't matter, guys. Of course, apply a similar strategy. Now that we have the another browser, that's a Chrome. Just we will hold it, and of course we will tap on especially notifications. Just we will come on make it blocks. So now what we will do, once again we will come to permission, similar strategy. We will make precise location off, and of course we will go for no longer the function is intended. Yes, we can confirm the free of speech that should be especially disabled. So of course here is a especially remove permission, the free option that has been. Now finally everything I have done. So from here now what we will do, guys, here just simply we will tap on a settings and easily decide it can with the risk of it. Now see here, just we will come in especially Google services and the preferences, guys. Here don't do anything, so just we will tap in inside of there, and the phone, of course we will tap to pick help options. When we tap on here, hey, smartly you will have to write here hacked Gmail, yes, recovery. When we tap on here option will be open that secure or hacked or compromise Google accounts. Of course we will tap on it, and after tapping on here we will have an option especially that review your account activities. Of course we would like to tap on it here. Now it is clearly given that yes, if your account or if you are still valid, someone else is using your account, then find out if your account has been hacked. Tap on it. We would be a transfer here, and of course we will come to check it out that these tips can help. Of course we will tap on it and report. Yes, we will make the sure yourself that create a replacement Google account. What if I still can't sign it? How are you getting locked out of your Gmail accounts if the two options is relevant? Given that, of course we will pick two relevance. This Google accounts page or Google recovery page. You would be directly transferring to the recovery page, guys. Here don't do anything extra. This RE would be automatically recommended, guys, and here we will have to tap to next and see here automatically everything would be recovered. But don't traps here, guys, that to click on a continue. Don't make a stupid things. Why so? Because would be trapping its verify option, so we will prefer to choose yes update password because we don't have the recovery phone number. So in that conditions, of course we'll text here create a new email password, create especially new especially confirm password, new password confirms that password, and we will go for save it. Don't click on it, escape, guys. After saving, of course we will have to go in a security, and in security or sign in there, especially after saving you will have to go in a Google account management. There one is option that security and sign in. We will tap on it there and we will add it there firstly alternative email. After adding that, of course we can remove a recovery phone number that was old one, and we can add a new phone numbers in there, of course by a similar strategy. And after adding of that, especially this RE will be a fully secure. The further these steps we cannot show you, guys. I'm extremely sure because this is a privacy concern of my viewer. So there are a lot of the private data, of course, and due to that he immediately, especially I'm recommended to monitor the risk of that. So yes, if you are unable to execute, and if you think so that we have customized totally set up on especially to the risk of especially particular Gmails in a day, multiple Gmail especially have the recovery. So if you are unable to do by yourself, then of course you can drop your Gmail in the comment box. We will pick if you don't have any objections to disclose your ID on a public domain on these channels and that. So this is all about. Thank you for staying till the end. Yes, this is a technology welfare, and we will be right back with more step by step tutorials. So don't forget like, comments and subscribe. This really supports us or supports this channel to make the further tutorial. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.